Think nanotechnology is just science fiction? Think again. On fact channels, we're shrinking big problems down to the tiniest scale, where scientists are crafting eco-friendly solutions with tools invisible to the naked eye. From self-cleaning fabrics to purifying water molecule by molecule, get ready for a sneak peek into a world where small tech means massive sustainability. Beneath the surface of our everyday lives, a revolution is unfolding, one so small it escapes the naked eye, yet powerful enough to reshape the fate of our planet. This is the story of sustainable solutions born from the mysterious world of nanotechnology. Tiny as they are, nanoparticles hold secrets older than civilization itself. In ancient stained glass, gold and silver particles created vivid reds and yellows. Now, the same phenomena inspire cutting-edge environmental engineering. Imagine a leaf's surface, not a smooth plane, but a rugged landscape at the nanoscale. It's here that engineers mimicked lotus leaves to create self-cleaning nanocoatings for solar panels, boosting efficiency with nature's own wisdom. What if toxic waste could disappear? Deep within abandoned mines, specialized nanomaterials now capture heavy metals, locking poisons away more effectively than any filter device before. Every second, billions of plastic particles invade our oceans. Enter the supersponge, a nanostructured material that seeks out microscopic plastics and traps them like a molecular magnet, offering hope for clean seas. In a world thirsting for water, nanotechnology brings rain where there is none. Engineers have developed membranes just atoms thick that filter salty seawater into crystal-clear drinking supplies for drought-stricken communities. It almost sounds impossible, concrete that heals its own cracks. Embedded with nanoscale capsules filled with healing agents, this next-generation material silently repairs itself under stress, extending lifespans and saving mountains of resources. Some challenges seem insurmountable, like electronic waste, but in bustling urban labs, rare earth elements are being reclaimed atom by atom from shattered screens and obsolete gadgets using precision-targeted nanoprocesses. Picture fields stretching to the horizon, each plant precisely nurtured. In agriculture's quiet revolution, nanoparticle fertilizers release nutrients exactly when needed, slashing runoff and transforming yields without choking waterways. Biodegradable plastics were once a dream deferred by weakness. Now strengthened by cellulose nanocrystals, nature's own nanoscale reinforcements, they break down harmlessly while standing up to daily demands. Even air pollution bends before nanotechnology's touch. A single gram of advanced photocatalytic nanoparticles can purify as much air as a full-grown tree, breaking down industrial smog at the molecular level in cities starved for clean breath. Then there's energy storage. Battery breakthroughs hinge on materials such as graphene, thin as a whisper and stronger than steel, enabling lightning-fast charging and longer-lasting power from renewable sources. But how do you ensure these wonders don't threaten what they aim to save? New biosensing nanomaterials can detect their own impact in living systems, ensuring safety isn't sacrificed for progress. The pace only accelerates with artificial intelligence. Machine learning sifts through trillions of nanoparticle combinations in silico, discovering eco-friendly catalysts faster than any human mind ever could. Hidden beneath Antarctic ice or deep within forests, novel microbes have inspired engineers to craft living nanosystems that degrade pollutants or sequester carbon, inventing new forms of life to heal old wounds. If you enjoyed these fun facts, give us a like and hit subscribe for more amazing discoveries on Fact Channels.